Hello guys, welcome back. Happy New Year. I hope you are going well. We all wish that we can back to the races this year. I really hope. And today I just want to show you one important thing when you rebuild your car. For example, this weekend I refresh my bearings, my belts after last test, and I want to go again this weekend to the track if the weather keep to be good. I hope. And then yeah, it's just a small thing, but I think it's really important to make when you rebuild your car. Let's see. So as you can see, car is completely fresh. Everything is clear. And now I just need to check the balance of the sway bars and the springs. But before you rebuild the car, it's important to check this thing. You close the radio plate for sure. But now, before to check the balance, you have to open again every screws. When I say every screws, I say completely all the screws of the radio plate. Even the front arms, everything. In the rear, when you open all the screws, check that the chassis is straight. You check with the fingers, okay? Must be completely straight. When you close again the screws, you close in this way, not tight. So you make like this and like this. So you go again in the front and you go in the rear. Keep the middle one of the safe receiver in the end. So you go to the arms in the front. As you can see, I tight in this way. You check again the balance. It's okay. Chassis of our Infiniti 1.8 usually are really straight. Material is really good. So it's difficult that you find your car not balanced, not straight. Just in case you have you crash or you have something broke, like the bulkhead. But it's if everything is okay, it's difficult. By the way, I wish you to make always this way when you close the radio plate. So when you check the chassis is straight, you tight. But in the same way, front, rear, front, rear, front, front, and in the end, the middle one. In this way, your car, you are sure that your car is always tight the screws in the right way. Ciao, ciao.